All right, so most of you so far have done a really good job of sharing Google Documents with me so that I could grade your assignments. But just for those of you that might have been a little stuck, I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick tutorial on how to set up a Google document that's easy for you guys to access and easy for me to grade. So the first thing you want to do is from your Google Drive account, you're going to click on New, Google Docs, and wait for it to load. Once it loads, the first thing you need to do is you need to label it with your name. That is the most important thing you can do. So if you follow along my cursor, I'll show you the way to do this. You're going to be using one document for the entire time you are out. So right up here where it says Google Document, you're going to type your name. Sorry, my computer's a little slow. All right, so your name, so John Doe, SS for Social Studies, and then whichever class you're in. So let's just say, for the sake of simplicity, 703. That's the first thing you do. So once you've got that, you don't have to worry about titling any more documents. I don't want to see anyone writing, John Doe's homework, John Doe's assignments for March 16th. Nope, just your name, Social Studies, 703. Next thing you're going to do is now you're actually going to put the date. So I'd recommend putting it in bold. So today is the 16th. So start off with Monday, March 16th, 2020. Skip a line or two, and now you can start answering your questions. Let's say I gave you questions number 3, 6, and 9, for example. I would type in question 3, and then I would type my answer right here. Skip a line, question 6, put my answer right here. Now, yeah, some of them will be full sentences, some of them will be paragraphs, but your responses go right there. Real easy. Tomorrow, instead of making a new document, what you do is you'll type in Tuesday, March 17th, 2020, and it'll be the same thing. You put in what the question is. So let's say it's question number 9. I don't know why a new tab just opened. Question number 9. And then type in your answer. Simple as that. When you do share it to me, I'll show you again what you're doing. You're going to click on right here where it says share. For example, I'll just go ahead and I'll put Miss Burns as the person I'm sharing. So I type in her email address. And then right here, this is the most important part. You need to make sure it says can edit. If it says can comment or can view, it's no good to me. It has to say can edit. You type whatever you want to say. Hello, Mr. Dean, how's it going? You can leave it blank, I don't care, but you can put something in this box right here. So then you hit send, and now Miss Burns has a copy of this. She can go in and she can edit this, she can make comments on it, she can do one of these, and there's one of this, and then she can say, this is incorrect. And that's what I will be doing. So as you go in, you'll be writing a response, and I'll be grading it on the fly on the side over here. Make it real easy for you guys to get feedback on the spot, make it easy for me to keep track of what you're doing, and everything will be in one spot. So hopefully by the time we're done with this time out of school, you have all your assignments in one place. They'll already be graded. It'll be easy for me to go back and look at them. It'll be easy for you to go look back at them. Really straightforward. Like always, if this is not enough of information for you, please reach out to me. Email, Class Dojo. Comments are my least preferred method, but feel free to leave comments if you have questions there, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible. All right, please subscribe so you make sure you get all the videos, all the updates, all the tutorials, okay? Hope to see you guys soon, and I hope you are all well. Take care.